Hello, students. Today we will be learning about words related to measurement. Measurement helps us determine the length, weight, and volume of objects. We use different systems of measurement around the world, including the metric system and the imperial system. Let's begin. Metric system, distance, millimeter, mm. The smallest common metric unit of length, centimeter, cm. 10 millimeters, decimeter, dm. 100 millimeters or 10 centimeters, meter, m. 1000 millimeters or 100 centimeters, decameter, dam. 10 meters, kilometer, kilometer. 1000 meters. Metric system, weight, milligram, mg. A very small unit of mass, centigram, cg. 10 milligrams, decigram, dg. 100 milligrams or 10 centigrams, gram, g. 1000 milligrams, decagram, deg. 10 grams, hectogram, hg. 100 grams, kilogram, kg. 1000 grams, metric ton, t. 1000 kilograms. Metric system, volume, milliliter, ml. A small unit used to measure liquids, centiliter, cl. 10 milliliters, deciliter, dl. 100 milliliters, liter, l. 1000 milliliters, decaliter, dal. 10 liters, hectoliter, hl. 100 liters, kiloliter, kl. 1000 liters. Imperial system, length, inch, in, equal to 2.54 centimeters, foot, ft, 12 inches, yard, yd, 3 feet, chain, 22 yards, furlong, 10 chains, mile, mi, 8 furlongs. Imperial system, volume, tablespoon, equal to 0.5 fluid ounces. Fluid ounce, fel az, a unit used to measure small amounts of liquid. Gill of 5 imperial fluid ounces. Pint, pt, 20 imperial fluid ounces. Quart, qt, 40 imperial fluid ounces. Gallon, gal, 160 imperial fluid ounces. Conclusion. Today we learned about the metric system and the imperial system of measurement. We discovered how different units are used to measure distance, weight, and volume. Thank you for learning with us today.